DynamoDB Streams is a feature of Amazon DynamoDB that allows you to capture changes to items in a DynamoDB table in near real time.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 4 things about DynamoDB Streams in AWS. Let's get started. Number 1. DynamoDB Streams captures a time-ordered sequence of item-level modifications in a DynamoDB table and stores this information in a log for up to 24 hours. Applications can access this log and view the data items as they appeared before and after they were modified in near real time.
Howdy, partner.
Number 2. When you enable DynamoDB Streams on a table, every time an item is inserted, updated, or deleted, a corresponding stream record is written to a DynamoDB stream. Each stream record includes information such as the type of the modification, the new and old values of the modified item, and a timestamp of when the modification occurred.
Attention!
Number 3. You can use DynamoDB Streams to build real-time data processing applications or to replicate data to other services. You can also use the stream records to trigger Lambda functions, which can then perform additional processing on the data.
Keep your formation!
Last but not the least, number 4. DynamoDB Streams ensures that each stream record appears exactly once in the stream, and for each item that is modified in a DynamoDB table, the stream records appear in the same sequence as the actual modifications to the item.
That's what I'm talking about.
In summary, DynamoDB Streams provide a powerful way to capture changes to data in near real time and to build event-driven architectures that respond to changes in your DynamoDB tables. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.